verifying these thunderstorms really filling in. So this is a live look at the radar. Notice all of the lightning that's filling in western Montgomery County, in Waller County, right on the corner there of Harris County, now in portions of northwest Fort Bend County. So this is first along the northwest side. Now we have a TransStar camera that's showing you that the rain is on the ground. Yeah, you can see that. And we've seen a lot of lightning, just like that picture was showing there off into the distance. So again, that's what's verifying on the radar as well. Both of them are showing the same, how 290 from Waller into Cypress, really, really wet, either from moderate to heavy downpours. You can see how wet the road is there right along 290. This is what you're going to have to be driving in and dealing with now through about 3 a.m. Let's get back to the radar. I'm going to keep it moving here for you. Notice along I-10 westbound. And then that thunderstorm watch in effect, I took that off the overlay just so you could clearly see some of those thunderstorms. As far as how much rain we've seen over the past 12 hours, it's right over Pasadena. That's where high water spots were really a threat. Radar estimates over 4 inches of rain. And then your Corville in between Cypress and Spring, notice over 1.5 inches of rain. Now putting our future track into motion, if you are planning to head out to the midnight mass, or you maybe work that overnight shift, or any late birds out there, if you're out between 1 to 3 a.m., that is when we could see these strong to severe thunderstorms rip across the area. Cold front still looks like it pushes offshore by about 5 to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. It leaves your Christmas afternoon. Really, really nice. Now, on television, we're going to say goodbye, at least for the next hour or so. We will update you or cut in if we do get any severe weather or potentially a tornado warning. But right now, we're going to flip over to our digital side, KHOU 11 Plus. So join me there, and I'm going to go into a lot more detail of where some of these thunderstorms are now. All right, we'll send you back to programming. All right, thank you for joining me. Okay, KHOU 11 Plus. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail about where some of these thunderstorms are now, what we can expect for our overnight hours. So the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until midnight. What that means is the potential for hail, strong winds, isolated tornadoes, and heavy downpours will all be possible for your overnight hours. Right now, a live look at the radar, it is really starting to fill in, even though this is just ahead of the cold front. So 11:03 tonight on your Christmas Eve, notice from Waller into western Montgomery County. Look at all of this lightning. Now, no warnings are involved here. We have the severe thunderstorm watch for about the next hour, but no warnings as of yet. We'll be watching these thunderstorms very carefully, though. Notice from Monteville to Waller, right along 290. We've seen a lot of our TransStar images come out where all the grounds are really, really wet right along 290. Oh, there you go. You can see that. Look at all the lightning off in the distance as well. So that is what, anyone driving overnight is going to be dealing with. And that's not even as messy as it's going to get. We're going to continue to see these thunderstorms fill in and a lot of lightning. So wouldn't be surprised if we do start to at least get a severe thunderstorm warning attached to some of these. Again, we will see Jersey Village starting to see some light rain, Tomball, some light to moderate rain there. And then once you head into Cinco Ranch to Addicks, we've seen some of that rain fill in as well. We did have a flood advisory in effect right over Pasadena, and that was because we picked up over 4 inches of rain over the past 12 hours. Now that is pretty much the max, including Bryan College Station area as well. But those are areas where high water spots were a threat. Overall, a lot of you today saw about a 1/2 inch of rain, even a little bit lower than that. Putting this into motion, notice 2:30, 3 o'clock Christmas morning. So tomorrow, that's when we're going to see the chance for some of the strongest thunderstorms. Then this pushes offshore by about 5 to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and that leaves your Christmas day really, really nice. So now until about midnight, notice how this continues to push southward, impacting Harris County between about midnight to 3 a.m. And then I do think by 7 a.m. tomorrow, the threat for severe weather will be offshore, but some of the showers will still linger, potentially up to about 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. I just think the severe weather threat will be out of here. Notice on a scale of 1 to 5, the Storm Prediction Center now has us under a level 2. So that means, again, the hail, the wind gusts, the potential of an isolated tornado is there. The hail threat did increase and it did expand. We were all under about a 5% chance to see some hail. Yeah, that increased anywhere from 15 to almost 30% across the area. So we'll be watching for that overnight. Best chance for severe weather between about 1 to 4 a.m. with some of those thunderstorms already filling in. And then once it moves out of here, oh yes, a beautiful Christmas afternoon, partly cloudy skies, low 70s. So this is what you're going to be dealing with for the Texans game. I know to welcome Beyonce tomorrow, 3:30, should be really, really nice. Now, once the rain moves out of here tomorrow afternoon, rain is expected to return by Thursday and Friday. It's not completely out of here. So don't be surprised if we catch not only a few showers, but even some thunderstorms late Thursday into Friday. Again, we will have to keep our guard up for additional rain late week. On your 7-day forecast tomorrow morning, I'm going to keep the chance for a few showers and a few thunderstorms only for the morning hours. And then it's out of here. Rain returns by Thursday afternoon and Friday. Look at these 70s. 70s take us through the weekend and even into early next week. And then it does look like we have another cold front on the way. We are going to keep you posted right here on KHOU, both on the TV side and, of course, the digital side as well.